Hey guys, in this video, we're diving into the top 5 best X570 and B550 motherboards available on the market today. Whether you're building a gaming rig or upgrading your workstation, we've got you covered with detailed insights to help you make the right choice. Product links are in the description below, so make sure to check those out. Let's get started with the countdown. At number 5, we have the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6 motherboard, the affordable option that packs impressive features for its price. With support for AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors, this motherboard is a great starting point for budget-conscious builders. Its digital twin 10+ 3-phase VRM design ensures reliable power delivery to your CPU, even under demanding workloads. Plus, it features PCIe 4.0, dual N2 slots, and Wi-Fi 6 for modern connectivity. Design-wise, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle is simple yet functional, with enlarged VRM heatsinks layered with thermal pads to enhance heat dissipation. The easy latch mechanism makes DIY assembly a breeze, especially for first-time builders. While it doesn't offer flashy RGB lighting, it compensates by delivering practicality and robust construction. Performance-wise, this motherboard excels in entry-level gaming and productivity tasks. However, its single 1 gigabit LAN port might feel limiting for power users who demand faster networking speeds. At $99.99, this board is ideal for budget builds or casual gaming setups where value is the top priority. The lack of additional premium features like audio boosts or advanced thermal solutions might be a drawback, but overall, it gets the job done efficiently. Coming in at number 4 is the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 motherboard. If you're a gamer looking for solid performance features at a mid-tier price point, this motherboard has plenty to offer. With PCIe 4.0 support, dual M.2 slots, and USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, you'll enjoy fast storage and connectivity options. The onboard Wi-Fi 6E and Intel 2.5 GB Ethernet ensure smooth networking, perfect for online gaming and streaming. Its design is sleek and modern, featuring addressable Gen 2 RGB headers and Aura Sync support for customizing your setup's lighting. The robust 12+2 power stage design with ProCool connectors ensures consistent power delivery for your AMD Ryzen 3000 or 5000 series processors. The bundled software, including a 60-day ADA 64 Extreme subscription, adds extra value for system monitoring and diagnostics. While the ASUS ROG Strix B550-F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 delivers excellent gaming performance, it's slightly pricier at $159.99 compared to other models in this lineup. It's an ideal choice for gamers who want reliable performance without jumping to premium tier pricing. However, professional content creators may find this board lacking in advanced features like optimized audio solutions or additional connectivity ports. At number 3, we have the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk Gaming Motherboard, a favorite among gamers and enthusiasts for its balance of features and price. Supporting AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors, this board boasts dual LAN, 2.5G and gigabit, PCIe 4.0, and Lightning Gen 4 M.2 slots with M.2 Shield Frozer for fast storage. The design is both functional and stylish, featuring Mystic Light RGB LED lighting with extendable pin headers for customization. Its premium thermal solution, including an aluminum cover and choke thermal pads, ensures efficient heat dissipation during heavy workloads. Audio Boost technology also enhances sound quality, making it a great option for gamers who value immersive experiences. Priced at $129.99, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk delivers excellent value for mid-tier builds. While it lacks Wi-Fi connectivity, this motherboard shines in wired setups with its dual LAN options. It's perfect for gamers who need fast, wired internet connections and don't mind sacrificing wireless capabilities. Pros include solid gaming performance and excellent thermal management, though its lack of Wi-Fi might be a deal breaker for some. Finally, at number 1, we have the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi gaming motherboard, a premium offering that justifies its price tag with unmatched features, supporting AMD Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors. This motherboard is built for high-performance gaming and productivity setups. It features PCIe 4.0, dual M.2 slots with M.2 shield frozer, WiFi6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and a 2.5 GB LAN port, making it one of the most versatile options available. The design is top-notch, with an extended heatsink and thickened copper PCB for optimal thermal management. The board supports DDR4 memory up to 4400 MHz and includes premium audio solutions for immersive gaming and multimedia experiences. The addition of advanced networking options like Wi-Fi 6E makes this motherboard ideal for gamers who need seamless wireless connectivity. At $189.28, the MSI B550 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi is an excellent choice for those who want premium features without venturing into ultra-high-end pricing. It's perfect for gamers, streamers, and professionals who demand reliable performance and future-proof connectivity. While the price is higher than other options in this list, the features and build quality make it well worth the investment. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding which motherboard is right for your build. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about the motherboards featured today, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.